Imagine you're a detective on the case of a missing artifact. What clues do you find? Is it true that the artifact was last seen in a secret vault? Let's investigate. Help me outline a thrilling story about this mystery. What twist should I include? Give me 5 clever ways to budget for my next big case. Every penny counts. Set smart goals for my detective agency. How can I grow my client base? Help me practice Spanish for my next international case. Let's roleplay. Summarize this article about famous unsolved mysteries. Quick and clear, please. Give me 5 unique YouTube video ideas about detective work. Perfect for aspiring sleuths. Be specific to get better answers. Ask for examples or details to sharpen your skills. Try these prompts and comment your favorite. Subscribe for daily AI tips. Next lesson goes deeper. Subscribe now and start mastering AI the fast way.